Alright, so here's the sub in the back, the Fusion one. I'll show you what it sounds like. Got a little head deck in here, play this up.